Oh my, that's a big hug. Oh. Smile. Goody. Goody, where are you? Where's my babish? Where's my Cody? Dr. Seuss? Plenty to look at. Hi, Cody boy. Oh, baby boy. Where's Mama? Here, Mama. We're at Dr. Seuss Land in Orlando, Florida. Yes! This way, Yana, this way. Oh, Yana, go! Oh, yes! Dr. Seuss carousel! Which one are you gonna ride? Thank you, Ariel. Yay! You're super cute. Okay, Ariana's ready to ride the Dr. Seuss carousel. And to buckle. Super, super cute.
Ready out, girl?
Oh, I know. Thank you, Auntie Ariel. We're gonna ride the carousel. Woo! This is the Dr. Seuss carousel. Get closer to the fishy. Some more. Hat in the Hat ride. I'm with Ariana.
Made us jump. We looked and we saw him sitting on the rock. We looked and we saw him, the cat in the hat.
Make that cat go away. You do not want to play. He should not be about when your mother is out. Why, we can have lots of good fun if you wish with a game that I call with a fish. Look at me. Look at me. I'm the cat with a cup and a cake on the top of my hat. My hat. Woo! 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 Do I like this? Oh no, I do not.
I will pick up the book. You'll see something new. Two things, and I call them thing one and thing two. They will take oh so take. They will come to play. They will give you some fun.
No, not in the house.
Said the fish in the pot.
They should not fly kites in a house. They should not.
Where's your phone, Mark? Thing one and thing two, they're not so nice.
Not like the way that they play. If mother could see them, oh, what would she say? Have no fear of this mess.
Said the cat in the hat.
I only think of my plaything. So, I will show you another good trick that I know.
This is cute. Cute, cute thing.
Then our mother came in and said to us,
Did you have any fun? Tell me, what did you do?
Should we tell her about it? No, what should we do? Well, what would you do if your mother asked you?
So come on to the noise, girls rock your voice. We'll get wild, 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 wild.
You're with Mama. Oh, we see the dragon.
You, madam, I expect you paid a visit to Olivines, have you? Yes, I will tell you far secrets.
You guys have fun? Huh? Whoa, Cody, did you see that dragon? Awesome. Where are we going? What did he say? What?
Merlin's beard, you look amazing.
Amazing. And then look at the girl. She's so pretty. What's that guy?
Oh, I don't do well with haircuts. Last time they took too much off the top.
Oh my. That's not good, right?
Hi, Ariana.
Is this nice of you to bring your house elf with you?
Yeah, this is Cody boy.
Hello, Cody boy.
Hey, Cody boy.
What's going on with you, Cody boy? You look a little spooky, my friend.
A little spooky?
Yeah.
Is it the dreads or
It's just something
everything?
on the side.
It's the strings, huh?
Yeah, I'll get you a little close up right here. What's your
I can
name?
click the strings. I'll click the strings.
Oh, you know, what's your name?
Nobody thing. That's
Yeah,
Is
but
it- oh, it's the whole nobody thing.
oh, nobody.
I'm
Nobody,
working on it.
nobody.
I'm working on it.
yeah. You don't really have a name, no.
No name. Oh, there he is. Hello there. Hi, Anna. Is that our new friend? From the Harry Potter?
Welcome back, humans.
Is that your
Thank you for
alien
helping
ride?
destroy Springfield. Please
Yeah,
stay
you
safe.
did an alien ride.
Please stop.
The vehicle comes to a complete stop.
Yeah, slow ride.
This is the baby ride for kids.
That's right.
Now you may.
Yana, go. E.T. ride. Okay. We're gonna try the easy ride. Okay, I'll get the chair.
E.T. Go to Tickly. Hurry.
Tickly. Ouch. Welcome home. You returned to us.
Welcome home.
Goodbye, Moira. Adios.
Dance party. Are you gonna? We need to look for number 4. Right here. Right here. Go in. We're riding a kiddie roller coaster. Let's close it. Oh, that was in the pocket. Yeah. Is that Curious George? Hi, Cody. You're watching Atiana. Are you watching her? Here you go. That was cool, I know. Hogwarts Railway.
Korea's paper has blue.
Oh my gosh, my video says that. Nice.
Best get back to your seats now. I'll try and roll down these little runaways.